Get ready for the ultimate smartphone showdown. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is coming soon, and we've got the inside scoop. From sleek designs to cutting-edge features, let's dive into what makes this phone a game-changer. Design, where beauty meets utility. Samsung's sticking to its classic design approach, ditching aggressive camera bumps for a more elegant look. But what about the features? Camera capabilities, redefining the Ultra experience. With top-tier camera tech and innovative features, the S25 Ultra is set to take on Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. But what's new and exciting? Satellite connectivity, a new frontier. Rumors suggest the S25 Ultra might feature its own satellite connectivity like Apple's or Huawei's. Ace Universe reveals that the S25 Ultra might feature satellite mobile terminal tech, allowing it to communicate with satellites like iPhones. What does this mean for the future of smartphones? Faster charging, power up quickly. Ice Universe shares insights on the S25 Ultra's charging speeds, with certified standards of 9VX2.77A and 15VX3A. Will this be the fastest charging Samsung phone yet? Design and display, sleek and lightweight. Reports suggest the S25 Ultra will boast a slimmer build, 8.2mm, and weigh less, 219g. What other design upgrades can we expect? Performance, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and beyond. The S25 Ultra will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor with a parallel Exynos addition. Ice Universe reveals a brighter f/1.9 aperture lens and increased resolution, enabling more detailed photos and potentially new shooting modes. Will this surpass iPhone's camera capabilities? Expect a thinner 8.2mm and lighter 219G design, making it more compact than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. What other design upgrades can we expect? The Galaxy S25 Ultra's upgraded ultra-wide camera puts it on par with Apple's iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. OnLeaks renders show a sleeker design with flatter edges and prominent camera lens rings. But are these renders 100% accurate? Ice Universe points out potential errors in the renders and shares his own vision for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design. What can we expect from Samsung's next-gen flagship? With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor and a 5,000 mAh battery, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises significant battery life gains. What else can we expect from this beast of a phone? Mark your calendars for January 2025, when the Galaxy S25 series is set to launch. Will you be upgrading to the latest Samsung flagship? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tech news and updates. We'll see you in the next one.